Good morning and welcome to my channel. Sorry about my voice. I've been sick for a couple of days now and the voice is a bit down, but let's try. Weather is nice, as you can see. Greetings from Finland. It would be nice to say that greetings from warm Finland, but as you can see, it's not warm. It's nearly minus 20 degrees and well, this is Finland in February. But hey, I'm pretty sure that you have heard about RVS treatment, and I made a little trip with my Ford Maverick 3.0 V6 and let's hear about what kind of noise my lifters gave me after the trip. So it's, like I told, it's nearly minus 20 and I noticed this on this week when I try to, of course it is working. Well, it was worse than this. It was worse than this, but it's making noise. So you can hear that. Hey, this is our German Shepherd, Esko. And it's Esko, like E-S-C-O. So it's kind of escort because we are having also yellow escort. MK1 of course. But yeah, you can hear tack, 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 tack. And I'm pretty sure that when I get the RVS I will get rid of that noise. But let's see. I need to go and buy one. Have a nice day. Bye. Okay guys, I believe you all know RVS, which I told you earlier. So it's RVS technology, triboceramic engine protection and restoration. And if I remember correctly, in Maverick 3.0 V6 it's a little bit over 5 liters the oil capacity, and this G6 is made for 4 to 6 liters, and it will include proper instructions. I have noticed this earlier, and that's the reason why I'm using this. Ooh, Ford Capri. Well, I'm not having Capri. We are having a couple of 70s Ford. One is the MK1 Estate, as you can find one video from my channel. But in here you have the proper instructions. Heat up the engine, then squeeze the contents of the small tube into the bottle. So the package will include a nice RVS sticker, instructions, the bottle and the tube. Then you need to mix them half to the warm engine and let it idle for 15 minutes. Stop the engine, shake it again, then the next half, and then drive vehicle at least for 30 minutes with the normal run. Avoid stopping the engine, and then there was also for heavy load you should avoid. and then this one. I left from work and came to Motonet to get the product, and so I'm having a warm engine, and next I will add them. And sorry, still my nose is a little stuck, so but that's life. And after the treatment, I assume that my lifters are not noisy anymore, but I will let you know. And this is kind of gel, and I'm just adding it to the bottle all the way, but I will need both hands. And now shake it, baby, shake it. I will shake it couple of minutes, and then I will stop the engine. But then when I add the half, after that it should be idling here for 15 minutes. And now approx half of the bottle goes in. And as you know, 3.0 V6, I love it. Whoops, maybe a little bit too much, but I don't believe that it matters. I love the engine. Nice looking cap, no moisture in, only oil. Okay guys, remember to shake it well, and then you just add the second half. I tried to do it that the engine was running, but if you wait a second, you can see that the chain for the camshaft, you can see it if you take the cap off, and you can also see that it was dripping oil because the chain is rotating or the chain is moving, so I had to turn it off. It's a little bit weird that because normally if you can see the chain, normally there is some steel plate top of it that it won't spill the oil, but in this one, no. So it's done. Start your engines. And now all you need to do is drive with it minimum 30 minutes, avoiding stopping the car, just easy normal drive, and that's it. Easy and simple. And I will continue when I know is it working or not. I believe it will work, and the lifters, they will stay silent, or there is no nap 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 anymore. If you like these kind of videos, remember witj at YouTube, and please subscribe and like. Thanks. Okay, now the 30 minutes it's full, and on the next cold start, then we should be able to know, but I believe that it's better now. Pretty nice weather, not so cold anymore than it was on the morning. Good morning and greetings from Finland. and this is the next morning, so haven't driven more than yesterday, so that's only the half hours of running. I'm also using ethanol, and I'm having the FlexiFuel app and the FlexiFuel all the components. And at the beginning there was little issues, not so little, but after they gave me fourth of the ECU for the Airflex, after that running perfectly. No matter, I can use 95, 98 or ethanol 85. But that's not the case today. Today is I'm trying to believe that the 30 minutes of running will do it, but I'm not sure. But at least we can give it a try. Today the weather, it's more windy, and it was only maybe -2 or 3. So it's not so cold than yesterday, but let's see what the valve lifters, are they more quiet or not. But this is day 1 after the treatment, and only 30 minutes of driving after that. But we'll see. So it's pretty much the same. Okay. But like I told, only 30 minutes running with it. We'll see it on Sunday morning. Thanks. Good morning. It's Monday, 5:30 a.m. Yet not quiet. There is still some noise. And greetings from Helsinki. It's nearly 3 o'clock p.m. Time to go home. Let's give it a try. And it's Tuesday, and it was what was today? It was Friday when I added the RVS. At the moment, from lifters, nothing. So now it seems on the morning there was still some noise, but now it seems to be okay. I will still check it tomorrow morning. Good morning. It's Wednesday and 5:30 on the morning. Let's try. It was Friday when I added the RVS. And let's hear about the lifters. Okay, now it's quiet. So it took from Friday to Wednesday. Of course, on Sunday, on my mind, I wasn't going with Maverick nowhere. So Friday to home, Saturday to the normal supermarket, Monday to work, Tuesday to work, and now it's Wednesday. So it took couple of days. To use it normally. So it took 4 days, and now it's the 5th day. I will check it after my work day and also tomorrow morning, but at the moment it seems that RBS is also working. If your hydraulic lifters are giving you some noises, well, that was so good. That was a good result, and of course I will continue tomorrow morning and on Friday morning and also after work days. But at the moment seems that on that kind of case it's working. Okay, but have a nice day. Bye bye. And how about you? Have you tried any oil additives like RVS, or what is it, the one big name, 1XR or X1R? But if you have tried and you have some kind of experience, it would be nice if you share. Thank you. Because it would be nice to hear if something has helped you also